Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kildeer, local and long distance movers near me. We offer all the following options for your long distance move: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Our movers will make sure you get the best moving day possible. When it's time to relocate, whether one state over or several states away, we make things easier for you. Choosing the right services for you let us do the hard work when you move. While a local move is shorter, it can still benefit from an Illinois moving company. With the right movers, you get a faster and easier move. Do you really want to be responsible for all the heavy lifting and leaving furniture and boxes into a moving truck? Professional movers will do all the heavy lifting for you. 3 Movers will take care of the heavy lifting. We can even do the packing and unpacking if you want. Our movers will get you sailed in faster and sooner too. When you work with us, a move that would take you all weekend, we can get it done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kildeer moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.